Hello, and welcome to Business 151 People Skills. My name is Corey Bolden. I will be your instructor for this course. And this is a short video to get you started and explain to you how to navigate the course. And we will start with the Welcome Start Here, which is the first section you will come to once you log into the class. You'll come to this screen. Here you can see any announcements that I will post throughout the semester. You should get an email to your student email account should I post an announcement in the forum. We can also use this area to ask questions about the course throughout the semester and receive responses here for the entire class to see the question and the answer. Another reason this section is important is because of the required enrollment assignment, which you will hear a lot of us call the REA. This assignment must be completed within the first 3 days of the class starting, would be my suggestion. However, you do have a deadline date. The deadline date for this class to have this assignment completed is January 19th, which is just a few days after the class starts. But this is to prevent you from actually being dropped from the class for not completing it by the deadline. So my suggestion is to get it completed as soon as possible when the course starts to prevent being dropped from the class. You will have to complete the REA for each of your classes. So please keep that in mind. The next section is the course information section, and this is where you will find the syllabus acknowledgement statement. You will find your course syllabus and course schedule. I will link them here. The syllabus acknowledgement statement will be one of the assignments you need to complete in order to be able to see the actual assignments for the class. If you notice, some of your sections, such as week 2, will have this message at the top, basically telling you if you do not complete these assignments, you will not be able to access any of the assignments in the course beyond this point. Going back to the course information session, you will have my contact information, and notice that student hours are by appointment only. I do work full-time as an academic advisor, and I teach part-time. Here's a little bio about me, and there will be an introduction video for the course. The next section is the tutoring services area, where if you need tutoring for any of your classes, please do not wait till mid-semester or at the end of the semester. Seek that assistance at the beginning of the semester so you will have that resource available to you when needed. If you need assistance or tutoring, you can contact or visit the Academic Resource Center, which you will hear us call the ARC, which is located in our science building, room 113B. If you click the link here, you can see the schedule of subjects and what times they are available. And we also have the online version for tutoring, which is called Thinking Storm Tutoring. So we have 24/7 tutoring available online, but the Academic Resource Center, or the ARC, has face-to-face tutoring. So please use the tutoring services that are available to you. The Thinking Storm also has a schedule available on the same website. It's RCC's website. The next section is the missed class section. If we have any like snow days where the college closes because of the weather, or maybe we're having a building built and the water has to be shut down for a couple of days. So anything like that will require all instructors in your classes to post a missed class assignment. And this is basically if the class is canceled for any reason. We are required to post an assignment, and you as the students are required to complete it. So please, if we have any canceled classes, which we're online, so it shouldn't really affect us. But just in case, if we have anything where classes are canceled, please check here to see if I have posted an assignment. My apologies, I did not mean to click that. The next section is your textbook information, giving you the actual, what the book looks like and the title of the book, the authors, and for your sake, if you are going to reference in your writing, I've included the ISBN number and the copyright date with the author so you can have that information available to you. And this is the link to the actual textbook. So if you click this link, you should go to the Cengage once you have set it up, and you should go straight to the book itself. And it is an ebook. It is not a paper copy. Right here, you can see instructions on how to access the code and how to access your MindTap course. MindTap, Cengage, same thing. MindTap is a Cengage product that allows us to submit our assignments. Then you have links to the Cengage Unlimited dashboard and technical support. Should you have any issues, you would contact the Cengage technical support. Then we get to week 1. And this is where you will start seeing assignments available for the classes. And notice that this class is set up by week, not module. The due dates for each section, you should see them in several places throughout the section. You'll see the assignments due for that week, and then the assignments themselves. I have this set up this way throughout this course to make it hopefully user-friendly or easier on you, the students who are taking the course. Forgive me, I did not mean to do that. And then, as you can see, for week 2, things are set up pretty much the same way. And again, you have your due dates at the top and throughout the section. These are this is what the chapters you will read for this week. These are the assignments you will complete for this week. And then the assignments fall below that particular area. At the bottom of each section where you're working on chapters, you should see the actual PowerPoints for those chapters, and you have access to those just by clicking the link. So if you have any further questions, you can contact me. My contact information is on the course information page. And good luck throughout the course. This course will pretty much go by fast, but I think you will all do well. I'm confident you will all do well. And let's have a successful semester. Thank you.